How to import AliExpress products to Shopify. AliExpress has countless of great products, and in this video I will show you how to easily import them and add them to your Shopify store, as well as how to get way faster shipping times than regularly on AliExpress. My name is Elias, and if you have any problems or questions, you can always leave a comment down below and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Now, first of all, product means everything when selling something, and I assume most of you guys probably already have a product in mind when watching this video. But for me, I will just look for a random product right here on AliExpress. Let's, for example, say this camping chair right here. Okay, so as you can see, it actually costs $1. And now the big problem with AliExpress basically is that the shipping time is usually very high. Now on this product we actually got lucky. The shipping time is only 14 days, which is great. However, you're going to quickly see that for most products this isn't the case. So let me open this, for example. As you can see, this is going to arrive September 23, which is quite a lot. Right now we have July, so basically 2 months. This is 14-day delivery, but for most of the products it is actually going to take quite long to arrive. Now this is 1 month, and usually on AliExpress it is around 1 to 2 months for the delivery. Now, using a website called Spocket, we can actually get quite fast shipping times. We can get up to 3 days delivery inside the US and up to 7 days delivery inside EU. So let's, for example, say that we want to dropship this portable hanging neck fan. Now let's get started getting yourself an account on Spocket. I will leave you my link down below, which is going to get you guys a 14-day free trial for the paid plans, which you don't actually need for this video. So let's get started with Spocket. I will just click on get started, and now we will have to create an account for ourselves. I will just sign up with Google, as this is quicker. And now you can connect your Shopify store so that you can then afterwards directly import all of your products to your Shopify store. So to do that, you will have to copy the link of your store from right here, and you will then have to paste it into this box right here, and then you will just have to click on connect. Now I will not do that because I've actually connected my shop to my main Spocket account. Now on Spocket you have all kind of different useful features. Some of them are paid, like for example you can get winning products right here, which are great, but as you can see, you will actually have to pay for a plan to actually access the winning products feature. However, once again, if you're going to use the link down below, you're going to get 2 weeks for free. So I guess you can try Spocket if you want to. But for this video, we will just have to go with the free plan, as this is the plan that we need. Now, right here under the US and EU products, you can see all sorts of different products that we can actually sell using Spocket. Now, as you remember, let's say that we want to sell this Xiaomi portable hanging neck fan. As you can see over here on AliExpress, it is going to cost $16, and the delivery time is going to take 1 month, which is really bad. Now, if we're going to search for the same product on Spocket, so I will just type in portable fan. We can maybe find the same products. Most of the time they actually have the same product. As you can see right here, we have the same product, which is actually for EU, and right here we have the US product. Now, quite often you won't actually find all of the products from AliExpress on Spocket by simply looking for the search term on there. That's why Spocket actually recently introduced a new feature called image search, which I would recommend you to use if you're not going to find your product on Spocket. You can use the Ali Downloader Chrome extension to actually download all of the images from Spocket, from AliExpress, sorry, my bad. So let's, for example, say that you want to go for any of these products right here. You would just have to download the extension, and then you would just have to upload the image onto Spocket. Now, as you can see, the US product is actually a little bit more pricey. As you can see, it costs $19, and compared to the AliExpress product, it is a little bit more pricier. However, you will also get 4 to 7 business day shipping, which is great. However, most of the time, the prices on Spocket are actually cheaper than on AliExpress. Like for example, for the same product inside EU, you're only going to pay $9 plus shipping, so basically around $11 per unit, which is quite a lot more cheaper than on AliExpress. On Spocket, you can also open up the product variations. So as you can see right here, they have blue and rosa, and you can also order a sample product, which can be helpful if you, for example, want to do some TikTok organic content, or if you just want to make pictures for your website. Now, although Spocket has quite a lot of products from AliExpress, it's not perfect yet, and they still have quite a lot of products that aren't listed on Spocket. So to actually import products from AliExpress, you will just have to click on AliExpress right here, and then you will have to download the Ali Scraper extension. So I will just add it to Chrome. And now it's installed, and now we will just have to log in onto our Spocket account. So I will just once again log in with my Google account. Alright, perfect, and now we are successfully logged in, and now we can look through all of the different kind of categories that we want. So for example, let's say that we want to go for men's fashion, or let's go for home pet, and let's go for vases, for example, okay? And let's now say that we want to dropship this glass vase right here. And as you can see, this actually also offers 14-day delivery. So AliExpress currently is getting better when it comes to delivery. Obviously 14 days still isn't perfect, and on Spocket you're going to get sometimes even 3 to 5 days delivery. However, they're getting better. Now if you now want to import this product onto Shopify, you will just have to click onto the Spocket extension, and then you will have to click Import Product to Spocket. And now you can click on import, and now you can click on Open Import List. And now we will just have to refresh this. And now we've got our product added, and we can actually edit everything the way we want to. So for example, we can add product tags or also a category. I will just add vases as a category, and then we can also select the collection that we want this to be added to. We can also add the description, and if we want to, we can use this feature right here to actually let AI write us our own descriptions or our own products names, which can be very useful. However, this still isn't perfect, and most of the time you're actually going to be better off if you're going to use the Shopify AI features, or if you're just going to write it yourself. Now as for the variants, we can edit everything the way we want to, and we can also set up the prices. As you can see, the actual cost for the product is going to be $130. However, because it is actually going to be shipped to the US, and these are glass vases, the shipping cost is going to be quite a lot, so around $9. So the total price is going to be $11.58. And now we can actually set our compare price. So let's say that we want to sell these for $29.90, let's say, okay? And now we can actually, and once we are ready, we can first of all save it, and we can also set up the images. So let's for example say that we don't want this image right here, but all of the other ones are fine, and we can also add some images if we want to. Now let's say that all of these 4 images are fine, and once we're ready, we can just click on push to store. And if we're now going to go to Shopify and to the products tab, we can see that our product first of all got added, and when we are going to click on it, everything is the way that we've declared beforehand. As you can see, the product category is vases, and it is also costing $29.90. Alright, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I've also made a video right here where I compare all kind of different dropshipping suppliers, which can be really useful to watch.